Hey, this is Karen. Welcome to another Crafty Christmas at Doolally Crafts. This is the card we're making today. It's a really cute little card. Once again, I'm using the Santa's Workshop because, as you would all be aware by now, every time every time I make one card, another one comes to mind. So, sorry about that. I was about to cough. There, that gets rid of it. Okay, so as you know, every time I make one card, another card comes to mind. So this is the card we're making today. All the sizes can be found on my blog. I'm just going to leave that up to the side there. I have everything I need here. So let's get on with it. Really, really easy card to make. I'm going to start off by doing the inside. And that's really easy. You just adhere a piece of Whisper White layering weight cardstock to the inside of the card, giving a 1/8 inch border all the way around. And what did I decorate inside with? Season's Greetings from Our Home to Yours. Okay, that's using the Merry Christmas to All stamp set. So, Season's Greetings from Our Home to Yours is there, and I've just realised I didn't have the rest of the stamps out, so I need Merry, where's Merry? Can you see Merry? There it is. Merry and our nice big Christmas over here. Okay, pop that aside. So we're going to start with Merry Christmas from Our Home to Yours. So I'll just get a stamp block out. And there we go. So I'm going to actually stamp this in Call Me Clover, only because I really like this as a green. So I'm just going to stamp that up the top there. Plenty of room for your message there. So that can be closed. And we will work on the front of the card. So give this a nice crease because it's only been folded over. And the next piece we're going to adhere is this nice bright red and white polka dot to the mirrored cardstock. Whoops. Helps if you have it turned around the right way, so that you can actually apply the glue, Karen. Okay, so 1/8 of an inch border once again all the way around. I seem to really like the 1/8 inch borders. They're not too wide, and they're a lot easier to do than 1/16 inch borders, which a lot of the girls do. Now, I didn't do it on the original card, but I'm actually going to pop this up. As you can see, I'm using not Stampin' Up! Mirror card at the moment because I ran out and I'm waiting for my order to arrive. So I'm going to take the backing off all of these, and since I've had my SNS taken off my nails are all paper thin, but it means I can get the backing off the dimensionals really easy. My nails might look like absolute rubbish on videos, but they're a lot easier to work with. Now that's not on perfectly straight. Hang on. And as usual, I don't take the backing off the centre one because it's a bit of time saved, and it also is only there for support. Okay, we're going to bring in our piece of white cardstock, layering weight as usual, and I'm just going to, I only wrapped it round once on the original, but I'm going to give it a double wrap on this one. And then I do have tweezers, but I don't know where they are. So there we go. Just wrap that round and trim off the edges like so. And it doesn't matter if that goes all fluffy, it'd actually look nice. I'm just going to centre it a bit more. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to stamp Merry and Christmas on here. Now, because the Christmas was in red on a green and I'm doing a red card, I'm going to do the Christmas in green this time. And stamp that down here. I hope my head's not getting in the way. If it is, you'll see my glasses are sitting on top of my head. Okay, and I need Mary. I thought I got an extra stamp block out, but I didn't. So the Mary will be in Poppy Parade. And I'm just going to pop Mary there, like so. That looks really cute. And then I'm going to bring in, now I did have them cut out, what have I done with them? Bear with me for a moment. 1, 2. Okay. Bit of glue on the back of our elves. One there. A little bit more glue on the back of him. And another one there. And see how easy this card has come together? Okay, I'm just going to pop 2 dimensionals on that end so that I know the baker's twine isn't going to come off the end of the card. And then just 2 in the middle there. I'm not going to bother taking the backing off. Once again, just there for support. Like any good bra. Sorry. Sometimes I say things and I wonder why. I do apologise. Okay. I'm going to bring this in and we're just going to pop that across there. And that is our card done. How easy was that? And it's a really cute little card. This one opens up sideways. This one opens up as a tent fold. But I would be pleased to receive a card like that from anybody. I think it's really cute. It gets the message across. I hope you've enjoyed it too. Please excuse the comment about the bra, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye-bye.